don't want peace.
You guys, when we're coming here, we're talking. So we're making noise. To minimize when you're talking.
What?
We're making noise when you're coming here. So don't talk too much.
Public area.
Yeah, we're making noise. I want to concentrate.
Concentrate what? In the public area. If you want to concentrate, you can go at home with your place.
What do you mean, bruh? It's
a fucking public area. This one. Public area.
No.
Public area. We can make noise.
No, you cannot.
How long is that? Those guys are making noise. Yeah?
Huh?
Are you crazy or what?
No, it's you guys.
Are you crazy?
No, you are making noise.
Come and tell us shit. This is a public area.
Oh, sorry. I was joking. I want to apologize. I want to apologize.
Apologize what?
Yeah, I want to tell you. Let's wait for my boss now.
Your boss, second boss.
My boss.
Hey, brother.
Let's wait. Let's wait for my boss. See. Yeah.